What should you expect when selling your home this summer? Hi, this is Jorge Gonzalez with Keller Realty in Miami, Florida. So you're thinking about selling your home this summer, but you're not sure what to expect. Maybe you've heard it's still a good time, or perhaps you're wondering why some homes are still sitting on the market and others sell fast. The truth is, the market is shifting. Inventory is up, buyers have more options, and they're taking their time. If you want to sell quickly and avoid price cuts, there are a few things you need to do before you list. Let me walk you through 3 simple but essential steps to help you stay ahead of this market this summer. Number 1, fix the little things before you list. First things first, get ahead of your buyer's objections. Most buyers right now are tight on cash because of higher interest rates. That means they don't want to take on repairs right after they close. So before you list, walk through your home and look for anything a buyer might flag. Tighten loose doorknobs, repaint scuffed walls, fix that leaky faucet in the bathroom. Make sure to fix it now. These may seem like minor issues, but together, they may shape how the home feels and whether buyers see it as a move-in ready home or a project. If those repairs are needed during the inspection, they could cost you more later or even kill the deal. Number 2, create a space buyers can picture themselves in. Next up is staging. And no, this doesn't mean hiring a designer or buying all new furniture. It means creating a clean, neutral space that helps buyers imagine themselves living in. Start by decluttering. Clear off all countertops, remove extra furniture, and box up anything personal like family photos or bold artwork. You want the space to feel open and calm. Add simple touches like fresh towels in the bathrooms or a bowl of lemons in the kitchen. This helps buyers focus on your home's best features instead of your personal style. Number 3, make a plan for showings. Here's something that many sellers overlook: how your home feels during showings. If you have young kids or pets, keeping the house clean and distraction-free can be tricky. That's why it helps to plan ahead. Talk to your agent about the best times to show your home and set a schedule that works. If you step out during showings and take the pets with you, buyers feel more comfortable and spend more time exploring your home. It takes a little effort, but it goes a long way in creating the right impression. Selling a home in the summer of 2025 is absolutely doable, but it takes the right prep and a smart plan. If you want help figuring out where to start or what repairs to focus on, I'm happy to walk through the house with you and check it out. Just reach out and let's put together a plan that helps get your home sold quickly and for the best possible price. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Bye-bye.